Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Brother P-Touch PT-2600 or PT-2610 label printer, the Dysead 9.5V AC adapter charger. This isn't just any power brick. It's designed to bring reliable and safe power to your valuable labeling tool, ensuring it's always ready when you are. Right out of the box, the Dysead adapter presents itself in a sleek, functional black design, intended for a convenient wall mount. It's a straightforward piece of equipment, but its simplicity belies the sophisticated engineering packed inside. The primary function, of course, is to provide a stable 9.5V power supply to your compatible P-Touch printer, replacing a lost or damaged original adapter, or simply serving as a reliable backup. What truly sets this Dysead adapter apart, and what should be a top priority for any electronic accessory, is its commitment to safety. The manufacturer proudly states that this product complies with international quality certification authorities and top industry standards. This isn't just marketing jargon. It translates into real-world protection for both the adapter and your printer. It incorporates numerous safety mechanisms, including robust protection against short-circuiting, which can be a common and damaging electrical fault. Furthermore, it guards against overvoltage and overcurrent, preventing potential damage from power surges or inconsistent power delivery. And for those long labeling sessions, it even includes internal overheating protection, ensuring the adapter itself remains cool and functional, extending its lifespan and preventing any fire hazards. This comprehensive safety suite offers immense peace of mind, knowing your expensive label printer is well protected. From a performance standpoint, the Dysead adapter boasts an input range of AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This wide input voltage compatibility means it's incredibly versatile, suitable for use in various regions around the world without needing a voltage converter, only a simple plug adapter if the wall socket differs. The high power exchange efficiency is another key feature, crucial for controlling the working temperature of the adapter and ensuring stable operation. This efficiency means less wasted energy as heat and a more consistent power flow to your printer, which is vital for maintaining optimal performance and print quality. The stable working temperature and consistent power delivery contribute directly to the longevity of your P-Touch printer. An unreliable power source can stress internal components, leading to premature wear and tear. With the Dysead adapter, you're investing in a power solution that helps preserve your printer's health. A quick but important note from the manufacturer, which is always good advice: please make sure you choose the right device before purchasing. While this adapter is specifically designed for the PT-2600 and PT-2610 models, always double-check your printer's power requirements to ensure perfect compatibility. In conclusion, if you own a Brother P-Touch PT-2600 or PT-2610 label printer and are in need of a new or replacement AC adapter, the Dysead 9.5V charger is an excellent choice. It combines essential compatibility with a strong emphasis on safety and efficient, stable power delivery. It's a reliable, well-engineered product that ensures your labeling tasks can continue without interruption, backed by solid protection features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.